first video back. We're gonna ease in there, okay? Okay. Hey guys, hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like what, probably 3 to 4 years since I've been back on my channel posting content. But prior to 2020, I felt so inspired. I felt inspired to jump back into this channel because my life has changed. My inspiration has changed. The things that I'm interested in has changed, and my roles have changed. I am a mother to a 2-year-old now. What? How did that happen? Well, okay, we all know how that happened, but it's crazy. I am in this new role and I'm loving it, but it's also a journey, and I think this is a great creative outlet. And I think it's something that would be awesome for me to do and incorporate with my son. So I hope you guys go on the ride with me. Let's get on up because I'm not sitting down this whole video. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, okay. Have a good day. You too. Ooh, I smell the chicken. I thought I was recording this haul and talking, and I wasn't. I wasn't recording. It's really bad. Like, we went through 3 bags. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. All right, so anyway, I got some produce, okay, from Aldi's, because we're not redoing this. I got papaya. I got strawberries. Very green, not ripe bananas. Some mangoes that I complained about that weren't looking very sweet. French toast sticks. Feta cheese for my salads. Yogurt squeezies. Some Colby Jack cheese. Coconut flakes because I'm going to be making acai bowls. So delicious. So they're a good topping. Got tomato paste because I plan on making shepherd's pie. And lastly, some good old olive oil. I also picked up some non-fat Greek yogurt, and I picked this up because I've recently found out that non-fat Greek yogurt is pretty much the healthier version of sour cream. Once that like clicked in my head, I do not know the difference. Next bag. I got some broccoli, a huge thing of hash brown patties because I love this, Gabriel loves this, my mom loves it. It's great for breakfasts, for sides, for anything, and it's so yummy. Mixed veggies because these frozen mixed veggies are really cool for when you need a quick veggie for any meal. I also got a corn because I wanted to put some in my shepherd's pie, some baby carrots, and then I got some. Oh my gosh, I thought these were fresh. I thought they were fresh. Okay, whatever. I got some cut green beans because I want to make this lemon garlic orzo meal. Got celery because I want to make some celery snack sticks for Gabe, and I also want to try like the peanut butter and the raisin thing. What is that called? I used to eat that when I was a kid. I won't do it now because it's ill, but Gabriel might like it. Also picked up some bacon. At the end, we picked up potatoes because obviously we're gonna make homemade mashed potatoes for the shepherd's pie. A huge bag of grapefruit because I love grapefruit. I ordered from Aldi's and I ordered from Wegmans because obviously Aldi's is much more cheaper than Wegmans, but I still like them both. So I price checked different things that I wanted based on the grocery list that I had, and I got the cheaper alternative from Aldi's if I felt like I wanted that brand. But if I was a little bit more pickier about the brands, I obviously stuck with Wegmans. From Wegmans, we got some juice. I never saw this one before. The Simply Watermelon. We usually get the lemonade or the raspberry lemonade. Got some Simply Watermelon. Some Juicy Juice apple juice boxes for Gabriel. Spring mix. Also picked up some bean sprouts. I picked up some acai, and I got the super green one. They have acai, kale, and spinach in it, which I thought was really fucking dope. I've never seen it like that. So I really wanted to try it because I'm always adding in these things anyway. I think kale and spinach are such a great thing to add into smoothies because I honestly do not taste it. And it's a good way to like hide it and sneak in veggies and boost up the veggie content. Boost up veggie intake for your children. Also picked up a rotisserie chicken. I got the barbecue kind. This is going to be part of our dinner. I also picked up this artisan Sara Lee bread. This is organic half a loaf of sourdough bread, some vegetable broth, sweet peas and carrots, and this is what I'm going to use for the shepherd's pie. And then I got peanut butter because we have almond butter in Gabriel. I got almond butter for me, and then we ended up running out of peanut butter, and I was trying to like give almond butter to Gabriel, but he's like, what is this? I picked up some orzo for the dish I keep telling you guys about, and I picked up some applesauce pouches. Now Gabriel's finicky about pouches, but applesauce pouches he loves. So I just picked up one. I picked up two of them. This one is the carrot and mango one, and then I picked up some everything bagels seasoning. I hear so much about the Trader Joe's one. I saw that Wegmans had one. I want to put this on my avocado. So I work with children. I've always had throughout my whole career. I used to work in a daycare, and I used to babysit on the side too. And one of the children that I babysat, they used to eat these tomato and basil like pizza burgers from Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. They no longer sell it anymore, which is such a bummer. But whenever I would feed them to the child, like, it tastes so fucking good. And I always thought, oh, when I have my child, I'm going to feed him that too. But obviously when that happened, they ran out. They stopped selling it. Strolling through Wegmans, they had Morningstar make tomato and basil pizza burgers. The same exact thing from Trader Joe's. What? I was flipping out. I was about to buy like more than one pack. But I know that I'm going to like it, but I want to try it with Gabriel. They're so delicious, and they're meatless. I cannot wait to try these for him. So bought some Phenomenal. Some Kid Fresh chicken fries. Picked up some Kashi chocolate crunch cereal. This is the other plum applesauce. This one is blueberry and carrot. Tomatoes, the avocados I've been talking about. Last one. The ground beef for my shepherd's pie, and just some lunch meat to go with that cheese you saw. Forgive me for the way I look. I know I look like crusty, busty, dusty. I literally just woke up. This morning we woke up very early. I had to make breakfast for us, make me a coffee, make breakfast for Gabe, make me a coffee, and rush out the house. We went to a Sky Zone PJ Masks event at Sky Zone Trampoline Park. It was really fun. Gabriel at first was a little nervous with PJ Masks and everybody, but ended up like at the end warming up to it. He jumped. He loves the trampoline. I take him to a gymnastics class every weekend, and the trampoline is like one of his favorite things to do. So we did that, and then afterwards I had dropped off Gabriel, took him to his grandparents' house because that's where he is now, spending the day with them. And he'll be back later on tonight, which is why I'm just waking up. Mama had to sleep. I was tired. So yeah, Gabriel will be home later. I'm probably just gonna wrap up the vlog here. Trying to do my best with editing. So any advice that you guys have on how to edit, I was trying to like make it not just me talking straight and have some like, I was trying to add personality to the editing. I haven't edited in so long, so just bear with me while we warm up to and get used to this whole thing again. And let me find my groove. But this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really trying to be consistent with these videos. That is like my goal, because it's not like me doing it for something for anyone else or outside medium or what blah, blah, blah. I'm really doing it for me because I think it's a great way for me to be expressive. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up on my videos, comment. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is right here. And I'll also link it down below. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Deuces. Gotta put it right there. Hey, Mama and Gabriel.